right, so anyway, this directs forward. This directs back. This takes it to the right. This takes it to the left. This makes it go up. This makes it go down. And this spins it left or right. All right, so it will change the attitude. Now, when you're looking at this, let me turn it on. You're going to see there's a light up front here that's white, and then there's the blue light. So the front of the Holy Stone is this white light. So that's telling you that that's the front. Now, when you rotated it, it changes the front of it. So when you push on this, like that, to go forward, it's going to come towards you. If you pull it back, it's going to go away. If you push it left, it's going to go right. If you push it right, it's going to go left. So if it's facing this way with the blue part to you, you push it forward, it goes this way. You pull it back, it comes this way. You go left, it goes this way. You go right, it goes this way. And then this is up and down, right? This would go up, this would go down. If I go like that, it's going to spin. If I go this way, it's going to spin. So that gives you the directions on these of which way it's going to go, all right? So this, you know, is the back. This is the front. So like if we set it down and I rise it up and I go like this, it's going to go forward. So I'm going to show you that right now. So first of all, to get this on, I've got to press this button here. There it is. That's ready to go. Okay. And now we can set it down, and hopefully we got enough charge that we can do it. So to get it to rise up, I press this button here. And it goes up really far, so you got to bring it back down. So here we go. All right, now you ready? Just one click up and it'll launch. Then I bring it right down. Now I'm going to bring it back. See, it's running out of juice, you guys. Let's try again. Yeah, it's done. I gotta charge the battery. All right, let's turn this off so we save those batteries. And let's go ahead and we'll grab this and I'll show you how to turn it off. You just come over here, press this and hold, and the lights will just go out. Bam, done.